Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Gemini videos limit reset problem. So follow my all step, otherwise you cannot understand. First of all, open your Play Store apps. Click on search icon. Click on search bar. Search of Gemini. Then update your Gemini apps. Secondly, open your setting icon. Scroll down. Click on apps or apps management. Click on search icon. Search Gemini. Click Gemini. Click on full stop, then click OK. Click on storage. Click on clear all data. Click on OK. At last, restart your phone.